Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Stacker ship. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's set up a platform for slides. It's time to sail to the port. There are rocks to... Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. Great, we got past all the obstacles. And the welding scene. Let's paint the stain from the seam. Don't stop. Filling. Blue barge. Pump. You're doing really great. And now, let's load the materials into blue barge. We did it! Let's make a covering and the basic site. We have to assemble red barge. Don't stop. First, we have to fill it. Red barge. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's install supports for slides. And now, let's repair. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. Let's paint the anchor and chain with protective paint. Hooray! We need to assemble container ship. Let's load the materials into container ship. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the slides from different parts. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome ups. There's an island on. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast to clear the way. There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. First, let's assemble a crane ship and a barge. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. Done! Let's install a frame and assemble a spiral slide. And now, let's repair. Crane. Let's straighten the screw. Keep it up. We need to assemble ship carrier. Don't stop. Filling ship carrier. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's add some scenery to our water park. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Rocks on the right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast, so it... An island directly ahead. Left rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. let's repair. Diving boat. Let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's grind the welding seam. And now let's paint the stain. Done! Filling. Diving boat! Pump. That's all. Let's turn on the pumps and check the slides. Now we need to wash it clean. Diving boat! That's all. We need to assemble a crane ship and a cargo ferry. Done! Now we need to fill it. Cargo ferry. Pump. Hooray! Let's load the reels into cargo ferry. Done! Let's build a lifeguard tower. We have to assemble boat. That's all. First, we have to fill it. Boat. Pump. We did it! Let's make a buoy fence. All done! The water park is finished. It's a beautiful place for swimming and riding slides.